Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, managing products across multiple marketplaces can get messy. Sellbrite makes multi-channel product management simple and centralized. Let's break it down. Sellbrite lets you list, update, and manage products across platforms like Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and Shopify from one dashboard. Inventory syncs automatically, so you never oversell, and order management keeps fulfillment organized and accurate. Its reporting and automation tools help small and mid-sized sellers save time, reduce errors, and scale their business efficiently. Sellbrite makes managing multi-channel sales easier, faster, and stress-free for online sellers. If you want centralized product management for your online sales in 2025, Sellbrite gives you control, efficiency, and clarity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.